In the next 5 years, there will be more people over the age of 65 than under the age of 5 in the world. With our population growing older, Cronkite reporter Jessica Goldberg takes an in-depth look at age in our modern society.
From the moment you're born, you're aging in the most literal way. More practically, aging is something that starts much later.
I'm just wondering how I got there. It went so fast.
At 20, you're at your physical peak. By 40, even a former major leaguer is well past his prime. And think about where you are at 65.
Over an 8-year period, you have almost a complete turnover in your cells. So as you regenerate these cells, however, they're never quite as efficient as they were when you were younger.
Over time, your bones shrink, your muscles lose strength, your skin wrinkles as your body loses water, and it becomes harder for your heart to pump your blood. That's the biology.
I used to be able to do back bends, you know, all those things. I can't do that anymore. Cartwheels, no, they're gone.
I can just squat down to get something and I can find out I'm older than I used to be, you know.
But even as we understand our biology, it seems as though there will always be some mystery about it, because no two people age in quite the same way.
Because we're afraid of it, society doesn't tend to face it and say, okay, 10 or 15 years, probably this might happen. What can I do now? What can I do to plan ahead?
Aging is a fact of life. You can't get away from it. And you will get older. And I'm older than most people are today.
And this is coming from a man who, like most 95-year-olds, doesn't see as well and doesn't hear as well. And at times, he even struggles to breathe as well.
There's growth, development, and aging or senescence. And it is a normal human process.
There is still so much unknown about our biology. Why can one 97-year-old run while another can barely stand? Why can this 80-year-old kick her leg up over her head while her friends 20 years younger find it difficult to follow the dance steps? And why do some people struggle so much simply to remember what they did yesterday, and others can't wait for what they can do tomorrow? This is wisdom that won't come with age. Jessica Goldberg, Cronkite News.